Hello, Year 3. Today on our Tuesday lesson, we're going to look at division. Now, up until Year 3, we've always called that sharing. But now we're in Year 3, we use the proper mathematical terminology, which is division. And we'll have a look at what that looks like in a minute. So up until now, we know that this symbol here is how we represent addition, or adding two numbers together. This symbol here is how we represent subtraction, or taking one number away from the other. This symbol here is our multiplication symbol, which tells us to times those two numbers together. Okay, we've got 4 groups of 20 or 20 groups of 4. So we've got symbols that represent the main mathematical operations. However, what if we had $20 and we needed to share that between a few different people? Let's say 4 people. $20 needed to be shared between 4 different people. How could we work out what that was going to be? $20 shared by 4 people is $5 each. So we use the language, our mathematical language. $20 divided by 4 is $5. And here is our symbol that we use to represent division. It's a straight line like subtraction, but with a dot on the top and the bottom of it. So every time you see that symbol, you'll know that you need to share into groups. I know in my class, we've already been looking at this from earlier in the year. So we've already been exposed to this. I'm not sure about 3B. Okay, so there's your division symbol. 20 divided by 4 people equals $5. Division. Okay, we're going to go to our step in problem today. I have $24 and I want to share it evenly among my 6 friends. So if you know your times tables, you'll be able to do this very easily, because division is the opposite of multiplication. If you're going to do 4 groups of 6 to multiply together to make 24, then when you do division, you'll know that 24 divided amongst 6 friends will be $4 each. How could we write that? Okay, I'm going to use my shaky pencil. We would write 24. And of course, we should put our dollar sign because that's what we're sharing. $24 divided by, here's our division sign, divided between 6 groups equals $4. What words? Oh, that's our word sentence. And there's our number sentence. What the word sentence would be: $24 divided by 6 equals $4. Our number sentence would look like this: a very wobbly $24 divided by 6 people equals $4 each. Okay, now we have 2 balloons. And there were 2 students. How many balloons did each student get? They got 1 each. We had 2 balloons shared between 2 people, so each person got 1 balloon. Or to write that, we would write 2 balloons divided by 2 people equals 1. Okay, so sharing and division is the same thing. You're going to go and do pages 176 and 177 in your book. And if you find that difficult, just remember that division is the opposite of multiplication. So to do that, you would say 1 group of 2 equals 2, or 2 divided by 2 equals 1. Okay, so it's the opposite. What would you multiply 1 by? To get 2, you would multiply it by 2. Okay, bye everyone.